Hi everyone, I'm Jodi and welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you're here today. And if you have been looking for some new skincare devices, not necessarily ingredient driven products, but true devices, then I think you are going to love today's video. So some of the products that I'm going to share with you have been sent to me in PR. Some I have tried and some I have not. I'm just going to share with you so that you know they're available. For the ones that I have tried, I'm going to show you some before and after pictures so that you can get an unfiltered, true perspective of what these products have done for me personally and give you an idea of what perhaps they can do for you. Now, as always, I just want to let you know that these are not sponsored products. I am not being paid to share these products with you. If a product has been given to me, or gifted is a common term in the industry, then down below in the description box, I will list the device name, and in parentheses, I will let you know that it is gifted. Some of these products I have been using, I purchased myself, and then I reached out to the company and said, hey, I want to talk about your product because it's really good, but I'd like you to offer a discount code to my subscribers if you wouldn't mind. And many of them have said yes. So as I talk about each of these products, I will let you know if there is a discount code for you down in the description box. While we're talking about products that are paid sponsorships, for which, again, I do not have any in this video, nor have I done any ever in any of my videos, if there ever comes a point where I do a sponsored or paid partnership program product promotion, I will let you guys know. But as we're talking about that, I also want to let you know that there are sometimes scammers that are reaching out to you in saying that they are me and wanting to offer you something. I won't reach out to you and ask for your address, your email, any personal information. I don't reach out unsolicited and ask for personal information of any kind. That's one of the reasons that I don't do giveaways on this channel. Believe me, I would love to do that as a way to just interact with you guys more, but it just runs the risk and puts all of you at risk of being scammed, because if I am occasionally reaching out saying, hey, you won this, then you may not know when it's me or when it is somebody pretending to be me. So just know that. And so you have it. Here's my official Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. So if anybody under any other name reaches out to you, it's not me. Please do not get scammed. I don't know why people don't have better things to do in their day than put their talents to a much better use. All right, so if you're ready, let's jump into some of these new, some fun, and some effective devices. The first one is a device that I have used myself for about 65 days now. With any skincare program, you want to give it a good 6 to 7 weeks, because whatever you're putting on your skin with the current condition, your skin takes 6 weeks to resurface and regenerate, and then you want to see what the new skin or the new result looks like. For several years, I had been using a red light therapy mask. Like many of you, when the infrared face masks came out, I did my research, I watched some of my favorite YouTubers and really understood what red light therapy did for my skin, and I was on board. However, after a year and a half, I wanted to upgrade and see what was the latest technology, what is available. And that's when I started to communicate with Current Body Skin. And I have been using this device for almost 8 weeks now. And you guys, I have seen results with this. I use it every day for 10 minutes. It has really helped with these fine lines and wrinkles, which you will see right here in these before and after pictures. And again, you have to use any of these red light therapy, infrared lights for more than 6 weeks to see the true benefit. I want to be clear about what a device like this does and doesn't do, and why it's important to understand the difference. Fine lines and wrinkles are absolutely a part of the aging process and can help your skin to look more aged. Far more aging, though, is the sun damage. It's the uneven skin tone. It's the age spots. It's the unbalanced texture. Those are the types of things that age you more than fine lines and wrinkles, or age the appearance. And that is exactly what an infrared light device does. And that's why I love talking about one of these that works so well for me. I put on my skincare products. I turn this little button, which is also a timer. It turns on this mask. I leave it on. I close my eyes. I don't do anything else for 10 minutes every night. And that is how I kind of get into my evening. After that, I watch my favorite YouTube videos and I read your guys' comments, so please make sure you leave some of those. And that's the skincare treatment that I do every night. What I love about these is it's very easy to wear. It goes right over your face. around. It bends to the contours of your individual face because it's very soft, pliable, rubbery plastic. It's easy to wipe down. Of course, because I put my skincare on and then I put this over my face, some of your skincare will naturally get to the back of the device. I just take a wet washcloth, wipe it off so that the clear plastic over each of these infrared lights stays clean, allowing my skin to get the benefit of this direct infrared light. And again, it times itself. So from that perspective, it's really, really easy. It is an investment in your skincare, and as we age, it becomes more and more important. So Current Body has given you guys a 10% discount. I'll leave the code and everything down below. Because I don't know about you, I just don't have time to go to the dermatologist or to the med spa to get a good infrared light therapy to help balance out my skin tone like I'd like to. So I just do it at home. And with anything, you'll need to maintain the use of this device in order to maintain the results. But 10 minutes of just quiet alone time, it doesn't suck. I don't hate it. I don't hate that 10 minutes of quiet time to myself every night. So, all right, this next device, you guys, I am going to give you a dedicated video on a complete update on how this works, because I have just received this and I'm like, why hasn't anybody thought? It just makes so much sense. It's by a company called Cure Skincare, and they have also offered a discount code, which I'm very grateful for. It is 10% is a discount code. And if you love microneedling like I do, I think infrared light, microneedling, and washing with coconut oil are my three biggest things I just want to shout from the rooftop and let everybody know. Or the mountaintop, how's that go? Shout from the roof, shout from the mountaintop. Anyway, doesn't matter. This when I explain this to you guys, this is gonna make so much sense, and I will give you an updated, dedicated video just on this once I start using it. But let me explain what this is and why we are just now seeing it. I don't know, but I'm grateful that someone came up with it. What this device does, and why we didn't think of this sooner, I don't know. But it does both. You take this little tiny vial with the lid on top that has the needles that go to 0.5 millimeters inside. Next, you take one of the capsule jars that come inside. You take this, dump it in here, let it set upside down for about 15 seconds so that all of the serums can go deep into the needles. And then you stamp your face, therefore getting the benefit of the microneedle and the injection of the serum in one stamp. And after your vial of serum is gone, you take this lid off, toss it, you'll put a new lid on, and you are ready for the next time. And you can do this once a week if you want. You can do this every 2 weeks, whatever works best for you. So I'm looking forward to trying this product. I'm gonna do it for 6 weeks and then I will give you guys an update. If you don't wanna wait for my video and you wanna get started on this yourself, Cure has been kind enough to offer a 10% discount code, and I'll list that down below. There's a section on my description bar that says, save money discount codes here. Another product that I'm really excited about to give you guys an update on how it works is this infrared healing pad from Nova Lab. It also offers infrared light. Its guarantee is that it will offer relief from your pain within 60 days. It says that it heals nerves, back pain, joint pain, and muscle pain up to 2 inches deep. That sounds amazing. It offers 360 infrared lights and is an FDA Class 2 light therapy. And they have offered up to 15% off on a discount code. So if you want to get started on your own pain relief journey and you don't want to wait for my review, then the discount code is also listed down below. All right, next, let's check out Microcurrent. Now, another product that I recently got in PR, so this was gifted to me. I have not tried it for any length of time long enough to give you guys an idea of the results, but what it is a microcurrent device, and we all know the benefits of microcurrent on our face, on our muscles. There are several microcurrent devices on the market. This one is much, much smaller. This is by a company called JODIZIIP, and it's smaller in your hand than some of the other larger ones well known that we all know and have loved. This one works in combination with an app so that you can customize the wavelength formula or routine, if you will, that works best for your individual needs. The JODIZIIP uses nanocurrent and microcurrent for an all-encompassing facial treatment that helps to contour, firm, and tighten your skin. And when you order the JODIZIIP GX, It comes with a full bottle of the microcurrent gel. These are rechargeable. You just plug them in, let them charge, and then you've got your device. There, you can kind of hear how it sounds. I like to use a microcurrent device to really chisel out my jawline, if you will. Chisel's probably the wrong word, but back in the day, I'd like to think it was chiseled to really define the jawline and pull that back a little bit and then to pull it up. I haven't used this one long enough to share with you guys the results either before or after, but I do like the convenience of how small this is to hold in my hand, and the angle of it allows me to get right through that jawline and then also right up through the cheekbone area. And it comes with everything that you would need. The gel that I mentioned, it also comes with a cleaning cloth and a nice traveling kit, so that if you're traveling and you don't want to miss any of your daily exercises with this, then you are good to go. So a big thank you to Zip for a 20% off discount code for all of you on that device. Also, you guys, if you haven't noticed in the discount codes below, I have a new discount code for you from Dermstore. Love, love, love Dermstore, because some of the products that you normally have to go to a dermatologist office for, like some Skin Medica or Obagi products, you can get from Dermstore, and they have also offered a 15% discount code. I've started to order most of my cosmetics from Dermstore because not only do you get good shipping, quick shipping, but they're constantly offering a discount here, $10 there. Occasionally they'll give you free samples of stuff. I've just found it to be a more enjoyable purchasing experience than the traditional store that we all know and love, that I just feel like the prices have gotten a little out of control and they're not as clean as they used to be. That's just my personal experience. So I really love the fact I can just order everything on Dermstore and it comes right to my door. All right, last but not least, this was a fun product and I'm really excited and grateful to Doors for sending this hair extension to me. What I loved about this, working with them when they first reached out to me and said, you know, we'd love to send you some hair extensions. My first thought was, gosh, do I really need hair extensions? Well, who doesn't need hair extensions? Sometimes they can be fun. I would love to try them. These are by Doors, and gosh, that's actually a really close, wow, I might just rock that. If you guys see my next video and I have like a lot of hair, like 80s hair, like the hair that we all used to have back in high school, wouldn't that be nice? Maybe I can achieve that. I mean, that down there, look how well that matches my own color. That's crazy. I mean, I love the fact that you can get hair that is multicolored. It's not all one color. So that looks really cool. This is 100% real Remy human hair, which means you can style it with heat just like you would normally style your hair. I mean, look how pretty that is. This one comes with, it looks like 4 clips in the back. You can see how those clip right there. And what I like about clip-in hair extensions is that they are not damaging to your hair. So they don't, you can put them in and take them out. You can probably sleep in them if you really want to, but I don't know why you'd want to. But just for, again, for a special event, you can straighten these, you can curl them if you want. And, or if you cut your hair and then one day you're like, I think I just want to be, you know, someone new today and have long hair, go for it. And you guys, I think that they'd be really easy for anybody to use, which I'm going to demonstrate because, again, I don't normally wear hair extensions, but let's just see how user-friendly these things can be. I'm just going to open up the clip. This matches my own hair so good. And it's really feels very, it's very soft. It says it is good for beginners, so I am about as a beginner as you can get. I'm going to clip it there. You literally just put it in and clip it. Oh yeah, I would need to go a little further back because it's right there. But I mean, what? Look at that. It's almost the same length as my own hair. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, I didn't think I was gonna love this as much. I'm gonna just put the other piece in too. Some of these bigger ones have like 4, that's a 3. You can go all the way around the back. That would be really, really pretty for some nice big full days. And their website shows that you have so many different variations of colors and lengths that you can choose from. And that feels really natural. Like I think I don't even feel that on my head. That is really smooth. If anything, it just gives a little bit more body or volume right through there. I'm just gonna put that right there. Okay. Oh, I didn't do that one as good. Can see it. Oh, there you go. Well, there, I just did that in less than like whatever that was, 30 seconds. And look how much volume I have. Now, if you're like me and you love hair, then this would be something really cool. You guys, you can't even feel it. Like, I can't feel those in my head at all. And you would not be able to see this. I mean, look at that. You can probably see this one on this side. I gotta fix it a little bit better, but I'm really, really impressed. So a big thank you to Doors for sending this. You guys, these were so easy to put on and I really cannot feel them at all. And look at how much thicker my hair looks. Like, that's, like, there's no trickery here. You guys just saw me put these in. That actually looks like my own hair. I mean, there's a shorter piece, which is kind of a dead giveaway, but that's from the back. So, yeah. I'm loving them. They come with some with the 4 clips, so you can do the whole back section of your head. There's some with just 3 clips, so if you wanted to do a top section and then even a lower section and a lower section, just so you had enough volume, or if you want to go on the side. There's some with just the 2 clips so that you have just a little bit of width. And then there's even some singles, which I think those would be super, super easy if you didn't want to do a whole strand. Maybe your hair is longer in the back and it's not as long in the sides that you would want it to be, and you just want to add a couple pieces here to just give you a little bit of length on the side while it grows out. If you cut your bangs and you want to have bangs again, you could put that right in there and just have that instant length right through there. And because these are human hair, however you decide to do your hair that day, you could put these in and then go through and curl it. You can put these in and go through and straighten it. You can put these in and use that triple barrel curling iron. That, I might have to do that. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I would look like hair from the 80s for sure if I put in these hair extensions and then curled them all with the triple barrel curling iron. I mean, that would just be so much fun though for a day or something. So big thanks to Doors Hair Extensions for sending these. I'm super impressed with how soft they feel and how well they blended. Now, I can't guarantee that your color that you get will blend and match your hair this well. I think these are just perfect. If your hair is all one color, it might be even easier to match than mine where I've got a couple different highlighted colors. So these are super, super fun. So big thank you to Doors for sending these. And yeah, I will be rocking these on days when I'm not talking about hair products, because of course I can't talk about how well a new shampoo or something is working and then having hair extensions. I would never do that because that would be very false advertising. Yeah, this new shampoo works so great. Look how thick volume I have in my hair. And there's extensions. No. Oh, I gotta take these out. So anyway, I'm gonna finish taking these out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Check out the discount codes if there's anything that you wanna see. And if you wanna know more about my actual skincare products, I'll see you over on this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.